Hi, today we're going to go over using Google Docs to create a PowerPoint presentation file with linked files. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your Google Docs account, and it's either Google Docs or Drive. Once you're there, in the upper left hand corner you should have this option that's called upload. So what we want to do is we want to first upload our documents in there, and as you see, I've already had them uploaded, but let me go ahead and remove those to show you how to upload those. So I'm going to actually click on this upload. I'm going to choose files, and I'm going to browse through my computer and actually find the files that I want. So they're in my folder right here, so I'm going to double click on that folder. And I need all of these files because here's my PowerPoint. Whoops, let me bring it down some. I need all these files because here's my PowerPoint file, and these are the three documents that I want to link to within that PowerPoint file. So I'll just choose the first one. Whoops, choose the first one, hold down the Shift key, click on the last one so that they're all selected, and click on Open. And I'm going to click on Start Upload. So I want them all to be in their original format for now. So I'm just going to click on Start Upload and make sure that my Convert Documents is not selected. When I click on Start Upload, I can see down here that my upload process is going, and 3, 4, all of them are uploaded. And now I see them in my list here. So the first thing that I want to do is this PowerPoint calendar. Now all of these files are in here in the Microsoft Office file type. So this is a PowerPoint, this is a doc, a Word doc, and so are these other two. These three I want to leave as a Word doc because I want whoever accesses this to be able to download this as a Word doc and work with it. But this PowerPoint, I want to actually change it to a Google presentation doc. So I'm going to select it, and up here at the top I'm going to click on More, and then I'm going to click on Export to Google Docs, and this is going to change it into a Google Doc or a Google presentation document. And that should have done something. Oh, there it goes. Alright, so right now it's actually going through the process of converting it from a PowerPoint into a Google Doc that I can actually edit here on the web. And while that's going on, I'm going to click back onto my drive, and I want to make these three available so that if a student accesses this from anywhere, they have an internet connection, they'll actually be able to download or access these links. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to click on, or actually, sorry, I'm going to choose all three of these. Click on More. I'm going to click on Share. And in the Share options, I want to change this to anyone with the link. So now anyone who has the web link, or the link that I'm actually going to put into the document, can access these documents. So I'll click on Save. And there's three separate links here. I'm just going to copy this, and I'm actually pasting it into a notepad just so that I can copy them in future references. So here we go. I'll click on Done, and I have 3, 1, 2. So I'm going to kind of put a little marker which one is which. 3, 1, and 2. Okay. So now that I have all of those web links, I can go back to that document that that PowerPoint document that I created into a Google Doc. So here I'll scroll through, and as you notice, when it converted it to a Google Doc, you'll probably have to go in and make some edits because it doesn't convert very nicely. Most of the majority of the stuff comes in, but you might have to get in here and resize and make some edits and get everything to work the way you want it to. But anyways, so here is where I want to place my first hyperlink. So I'm actually going to highlight this text, and right now the hyperlink didn't work in my old doc, but now I'm going to get it to work here. So I highlight that text. I'm going to come up to the top here and choose this link right here that says link, and I'm going to take that first I'm sorry, I'm on my other screen and I'm copying the URL to that first link. So I'm going to copy, and now I'm going to come in here and I'm going to paste the link into there. So I took that first link that for my first document, and I copied it into here, and I'll click on OK. So now this becomes a hyperlink, and anytime someone clicks on this, it's going to actually go and open up that Google Docs. Okay, so let's see. I'll go to the next page, and let's see. I'm going to add a link here too to another document. So I'll highlight that text, do the same thing, click on this link at the top, and I'm going to copy my link to the second document and paste it here. Click on OK, and then I'll do this for one more. Copy the link, click on the link button, copy my URL that I had from the other page, Control C, and place it in there and click on OK. Alright, so now I have all of that in there. So now when I want to when I want to test those out, so I'll come back to that first one. I'm going to click on that. So now when I click on that link, and it gives me the option to choose that website, I'll click on that website, and it opens up my document. And there we go. I can see that I have my document, and all I had written in there was info doc 2. And when I go, I'll hop back in there. I'm going to go to my next one, click on the link, and it opens up the next doc, and so on. So I have all of my documents there, and they're linked in to Google Docs, and I have access to them anywhere I have an internet connection. I don't have to log in. If I have that Google Doc, all I have to do is click on those links and it'll open them. All right, thank you so much.